You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, it's such a fantastic, fascinating word, but yes, the pronunciation is confusing indeed. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos at the end of this one. You can learn from pterygoid. Let's break it down. The P is silent. Pterygoid, relating to or lying in the region of the inferior part of the sphenoid bone. Struggling today. Pterygoid, pterygoid, pterygoid is the pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.